Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on mensuration. Here comes the question. Can you please pause the video, read the question, make an attempt and then continue watching this. Right. Students, the question says a man makes a complete use of 405 cc of iron. Let me put it here. Iron is 405 cc, cc is cubic centimeters, 783 centimeters of aluminium, and copper is 351 cc. To make a number of solid right circular cylinders of each type of metal. So we want to make a few cylinders here out of this 405. I want to make a few cylinders out of 783. Similarly, a few cylinders out of this 351 copper. And what is important is the next few conditions. Next condition is the cylinders have the same volume. So whatever cylinder size we select here or here or here, they all should have the same volume. That is the first condition. Second condition is, okay, each of these has radius 3 centimeters, fine. And each of them has got radius 3 centimeters. The most important condition here is, if the total number of cylinders is to be kept at a minimum, then the total surface area of all these cylinders is. But this point is the key. The total number of cylinders have to be kept at minimum. If the number of cylinders have to be minimum, we should use maximum possible cylinder. The size of the cylinder we make should be maximum possible. So can we say using this 405 cc, we make one cylinder of iron with 405? Can we make one cylinder of aluminum with 783 and one cylinder of copper with 351? Not possible. Why? The question says all should be same volume, but they are not same volume. So what is the maximum size I can make? First of all, can I make 100 cc, that is 100 cubic centimeter each cylinder? Can I make it? Suppose if I take 405 iron with 100 cc is each cylinder, means 4 cylinders will be 400 cc. That is 400 cubic centimeters. What about the remaining 5 cc? We have to make a small cylinder. Then all are not equal. So we are having a small cylinder of 5 cc here. So why all are not equal? Because if you observe mathematically, if I have to say 405 and divide by 100, 104 is 400, remainder is 5. You have 4 cylinders of 100 cc, but there is a small remainder 5, means you have to make a small cylinder of 5. But all should be same size, means we should not have any remainder. We should not have any remainder here, means the number we choose should divide this completely. But not only this, should divide this, it should also divide this. Right? And again, I want maximum size. Why? Because you want minimum number of cylinders, means the volume should be maximum. Volume should be maximum. What is the maximum volume of each cylinder can be? So in other words, what is the maximum number that divides these three? Because it has to divide it, then only we can have all cylinders equal size. Otherwise, you will have some remainder, means all cylinders may not be of equal size. So there are two conditions here. The volume of the cylinder should be a factor of these three numbers. Second, it's not just a factor, it should be the biggest factor, because you need maximum size of the cylinder. So in other words, what is the highest number that divides these three? The highest number that divides the given numbers is their HCF. HCF. So what is the HCF of 405, 783 and 351? Right, there are different approaches for finding LCM. One approach could be long division method. We have 351 and 405. If I divide the larger number with the smaller number, this is the long division method way of finding HCF. The remainder is 454. With this 54, you divide this 351 early one. You have to keep on doing till you get remainder 0. I am sure you know this approach. 54, 6 are 324. Remainder is 27. With this 27, 54. 27, 2 is 54. Remainder is 0, means HCF of 351 and 405 is 27. But I have one more. What is the one more number I have? 783. So now for this 27 and 783, if I can find HCF again, that will be the HCF of all these three numbers. For 27, 783, what is the HCF? Again, we have to do the same process. But if you know 27 2s are 54, 24 243, 27 9s 243, remainder is 0, means 27 goes completely. 27 goes completely means the HCF of 27 and 783 is 27. So HCF of all these three numbers 351, 405 and 783, HCF is 27. In other words, the maximum volume of the cylinder can be 27 cubic centimeters. If the maximum volume is 27 cubic centimeter, 27 cc, what will be the number of cylinders here? The number of cylinders here will be 405 by 27, because one cylinder volume is 27, total number of cylinders is total volume is 405. What is the number of cylinders means? 405 by 27, if you do, you get 15. Similarly, you already divided 783 with 27. You know, in 783, 27 goes 29 times. So we can say that 783 by 27 will have 29 cylinders here. What about this 351 by 27? You can see 27 ones 27, 27 threes, it will be 13. So this is the number of cylinders. So the minimum number of cylinders that can be made here is 15 plus 29 plus 13, it is 57 cylinders. But the question is here, what is the total surface area of these cylinders? Here there are 2 points here. The volume of each cylinder is 27 cc and radius is 3. Now what is the volume of each cylinder formula? The volume of each cylinder formula is, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, which is 27. And what is r given in the question? 3. So pi into 3 square into h equals to 27, means 3 square 9 goes 3 times. H is equal to 3 by, that pi comes here, 3 by pi. But what is the total surface area formula? Total surface area equals to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, or in other words 2 pi r if I take common, h plus r. But now I have, that is for one cylinder, but we have how many cylinders in all? 57 cylinders we have. The volume of 57, total surface area of 57 cylinders will be how much? Means 57 into 2 into pi into r. What is r? We got 3. Radius is 3. You can check here. Radius is 3. That's what we have written here. Radius is 3. So r is 3 into h plus r. What is h? We got 3 by pi plus r is 3. We can see, we can take 3 common here. 57 into 2 into pi into 3 into, if 3 comes out, it will be 1 by pi plus 1. If you can see here, it is 27, 9, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 18 into 57 is 18, 7s are 126, 18 5 is 90 plus 12, 102, 1026 pi into 1 by pi plus 1 will be 1 plus pi by pi. Pi gets cancelled. My answer is going to be 1026 into 1 plus pi. This many square centimeters will be our answer. See, once you know the number of cylinders and you know the formula, we can always solve the question. So hence our answer should be 1026 into 1 plus pi. So answer choice is D. So this question, it looks like a mensuration question, but it has got more to with concepts of HCF. So the key is finding what is the maximum volume of each cylinder is going to be. The maximum volume is 27, which happens to be HCF of the given numbers. That is the key for this question, right? Thank you.